Advice to get your affiliate marketing business off the ground. There have been many people who have attempted to become successful in affiliate marketing but did not take the time to gather information about it before jumping in with both feet. If you take the time to learn the following information, you are sure to find greater success in your experience. If your program is proving to be profitable, you should not hesitate to inquire about making more money for the work that you do. If you are able to generate sales and are able to market successfully, the program will want to keep you on board and will do whatever it takes. Examining an affiliate sales conversion ratio can tell a webmaster whether or not the affiliate is worth working with. This is the percentage of visitors to the affiliate's website that become paying customers. Affiliates that cannot manage to make sales to even 1% of their visitors are not performing strongly enough to incorporate into a successful affiliate marketing network. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to say no to some ventures. Make sure you can handle everything that's already on your plate before you take on another task, and always remember to only involve yourself in productive tasks that will eventually lead to profits. Leave those maybe tasks for someone else to do, you need to focus on results. Seek out multiple commissions. Many companies offer several different ways to earn revenue, even from the same customer. These companies are some of the best to work for, because they offer you several ways to gain income from a single person. Read all contracts available and try to choose one with this option. It helps make earning money quicker. Now that you have taken the time to learn a bit of information about affiliate marketing, you have a good head start in making a success of your venture. You are sure to find several ways to incorporate the information from this video into your affiliate marketing plan and succeed. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.